Hello everyone. Most AI demos work perfectly until they hit real users. Then they break, hallucinate, or run up to a $400 bill overnight. I have seen it happen at Microsoft, Salesforce, Oracle, and startup. And almost every time the root cause is same. Nobody taught the engineers what actually matters. Now, there are thousands of AI tutorials out there, 5-minute demos, Python notebooks, ChatGPT wrappers that impress in a hackathon but fall apart in a week one. If you are serious about building AI for your company, for your career, or just because you want to do it right, none of them gets you there. This channel is about what comes after the demo, how to use Claude effectively, cut your token cost without sacrificing quality, build agentic system that handles failure gracefully. Now, I am Deepesh. I have built this system professionally at big techs and in startup that has to get it first time. I have made the expensive mistake, so you don't have to. Whether you are a student taking your first serious step into AI or a senior engineer trying to bring it into production, you are at the correct place. Subscribe and come build something that actually works. First video is already up.